The hand-supported single-leg box jump is a beginner athletic move that builds unilateral leg power, balance, and coordination. This hand-supported variation is a good beginner modification before progressing to the full single-leg box jump. Here's how to do it correctly. Stand facing a sturdy plyo box while gripping a sturdy object with one hand for support. Lift the foot on the same side as the supported hand while balancing on the opposite leg. Brace your core, keep your chest tall, and load the working leg by dipping into a shallow quarter squat. Use your free arm to create momentum as you drive explosively through the grounded foot. Jump straight up and land softly on top of the box with the working leg keeping the knee slightly bent. Use the support only as needed to assist balance, not to push or jump. Absorb the landing by keeping your knee tracking over your toes and your hips back. Step down under control, reset your stance, and repeat for reps before switching sides. If you want to see real results in the gym, it's time to stop doing random workouts and start following a structured plan. Try my workout app free for 7 days.